Hi everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'll be covering the whole syllabus for Python with data structures and algorithms bootcamp. So first of all, we'll be learning the basics of Python and basics of programming. So first of all, we'll start with flowcharts and we'll be looking at various types of flowcharts and how to approach a problem using flowcharts and how can it help us while solving a problem. Okay. Then we'll be doing an introduction to Python. Okay. And we'll be looking at various properties of Python and etc. Now coming to the next topic, we'll be doing conditionals and loops. In this, we'll be doing if-else conditions, while loop, etc. etc. So if you don't know what are these, don't worry. Everything will be covered from the basics, so you don't need to worry about anything. Next, we'll be doing some patterns question based on while loops. Okay, and after that, we'll be doing for loop and range method in case of Python. Okay, and here the loop concept will be more clearer to you. And after that, we will be learning functions and how we can use function to enhance the code readability. And after that, we'll be studying arrays and lists, arrays which are called lists in Python. Okay, and after that, we will be learning searching and sorting. So we'll be learning linear search, binary search, and in case of sorting, we'll be learning bubble sort. Okay, etc etc. And coming to strings, so we'll be learning strings and various properties around strings. Next, we'll be learning 2D list or two-dimensional list, how we can use 2D list and how 2D list behave in Python, etc. etc. Next, coming to the some special data structures which is inbuilt in Python like tuples, dictionaries, and sets. We'll be learning how we can use in case of Python because it is already inbuilt in Python. Okay. Now after that, we'll be learning full data structures and algorithms. So first of all, we'll be starting with recursion, which is the most important topic. We'll be doing it in three levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. So the first level will be little easier, then medium, and third level will be hard. And after that, we'll be diving into object-oriented programming, and we will be also doing this in three levels. Okay, level 1, level 2, and level 3. Then we'll be looking at time and space complexity and we'll be looking how we can optimize any solution further. Okay, now coming to some data structures, which is linked list. So we'll be learning linked list in two levels, level 1 and level 2. And after that, we'll be learning stacks, queues, and after that, binary trees, which is also consist of two levels, level 1 and level 2. Then we'll be learning binary search trees again in level 1 and level 2. So this will be a complete lecture of all data structures. Then we'll be learning generic trees, and after that, we'll be learning dictionaries, which is special in case of Python. And then we'll be learning the one of the most difficult and most important topic, which is graphs. We will be learning graphs in level 1 and level 2. Next, we'll be learning priority queues in level 1 and level 2. And after that, we'll be learning Huffman coding. And then coming to the most important topic, which is DP or dynamic programming. So here we will be learning it in level 1 and level 2 in two levels. Okay, and after that, we'll be learning backtracking. And after learning all this, we'll be making a 2048 game using data structures and algorithms in Python. Okay, so this will be a complete bootcamp along with project, which is 2048 game. And you don't need to know anything about programming. Okay, so if you are new to programming or haven't done programming yet, this will be a perfect start to you. And why we chose Python? Because Python is a little bit easier to learn. Okay, its syntax is very easy, and if you are a beginner, then it will be easier to you than writing code in Java or C++. So that's why we are using Python here. Now, how to follow this course? So first of all, I would request you to go through the entire lecture video. Okay, and then do problems which are mentioned in the videos. Means I'll be solving some problem in the video itself, and you need to do the problems on your own again for practice. Okay, next, you have to solve the practice questions which will be given to you after every video. After every video, just check the description. In description, there will be some practice questions. Okay, some practice questions, and you have to solve those practice questions every day after finishing a lecture. Okay, and I'll mention which questions you should solve, and I'll give them in description box. Okay, then link for notes and everything like the slides, everything will be shared in the description box. so you don't need to worry about any notes or anything. There will be an entire playlist for this course. Okay, so I'll create an entire playlist for this course, so do follow along the course. Okay, and if you successfully follow this course, you will be very good in data structures algorithms as well as in Python, and you will be able to solve many problems, as well as you will be able to know many properties of Python, and you will be able to make many more projects on your own using Python. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for